Hello YouTube, this is GunKids217 and I'm back with my Sazabi for another unboxing from what I've bought. So this time round, it is a modeling tool that I have saw online from my local hobby shop and I actually pre-ordered it. I paid $99 for pre-order and this is from where I came from. So let's put my Sazabi aside and let's open this up. First of all, I have never opened this before. I just went down to the shop, took my order, and then after that I just left it because I want to show you guys what this tool is all about, because I have tried researching on YouTube. There is no such tools. So first of all, there is this. This is the David pen grinder. This is by David. This company is by David. I have never heard of it before, but this is something like a Dremel. However, this Dremel is able to adjust speed, and this has I'm not sure, so why not let's take a look at it. But before that, let's look at this. This is an adapter that came along with this package, and I'm quite glad it has it because my place is 3-pin plug and this is actually a 2-pin plug. So that's that aside, let's look around the box while I give you more information. And this is, I've never opened this, so everything is new to me, so I might stumble upon some words as I'm not sure what is going on. So this is the Pen Type 300 Elite by David, and from what my hobby shop said, this is actually a German made hobby tool. This has a maximum of 12,500 RPM, high-end cuts, precision spring chuck, voltage range of 100 to 250. This is for modeling. So let's go and jewelry making. So let's go through what's at the bottom. This is the speed variable. This speed variable thing is whereby there's this knob here, which I'll show later on. It adjusts the speed of this thing spinning. And the next thing is top grade bearing. Focus. It has 12-piece high-end cutters. A quality motto. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I'll read it out. A quick release button, and also a precise collect. I'm not sure about this, but we'll find out soon, I hope. So the bottom of the box, David Artisan. I'm not sure what's this, but this is sealed, brand new. At the side, let me adjust this. Right, application. These are all diagrams. I'm not sure what they are. So let's just go through. The other side is specifications. Okay, I'm not sure if you can focus or not, but let's go through. Specification, model numbers. This is collect range. Warnings, fall off precision may cause break. And what they say is that if you're gonna use it for a long time, turn it off for 5 minutes every 30 minutes. And technical support at David tools and some diagrams here. At the back, we're gonna talk about the 300 Elite. So what does this have is the okay, I'm not focus. Okay, I'm not sure why it can't focus, but this is about the speed variation. the quick release button, the high-end cutters, top grade bearing hidden inside, and also the durable motor. I'm trying my best to focus it, but I can't seem to do it, so I'm sorry. This is come in different languages. English, I'm not sure what's this. This is Japanese, and this is Chinese, I think. Traditional Chinese. Japanese, this I'm not sure. This is DE, and this is English. So these are all the specialities of this. This is high grade motors, speed variation, 12 piece, quick release, 2 CNC, which means computer numerical control collects, and 1 heat treated spring chunk included, adapter approved, compact fine tool that is easily stored. Okay, so we have looked around the box. Now is to open it for the first time. Okay, so oops, looks like I broke the box. I hope I'm not gonna resell it though. Haha, but unlikely. So I quite damaged the box, which is unfortunate, but I'm gonna use this on my own. So let us see more about it. This is the nice casing that it comes with, and an instruction manual. Right, before we look into this, let's look into the instruction manual. So I'll put this aside. Okay, so what this is, they thank you for purchasing, and all the words. And then after that, first of all, power drivers, cuts, round saw, 3 pieces, mandrel, I'm not sure what is this. They even come out with a buffing material, all these things. I'll just make a quick going through of this, but this is pretty interesting. They give you a chuck that is able to roll up your sandpaper, so you could actually put your sandpaper here, and then after that use it to sand it like any Dremel that you see, but with a fix. So this is a very good thing that we could all use. And this also has carving. It looks pretty good. So this is an electric tool. They're talking about all the safety here. At the flip side we go, it's the same thing but Japanese. So I just noticed something. Here are the 12 tools that are laid out on the top, which is pretty cool, I would say. So this is the instruction manual. I'll fold it, and we're gonna look into the other item. Right, the main thing. So this comes in a very amazing case. It's nicely done. So all we have to do is just flip up the cap, and it's hard plastic, like those tough plastic, which I feel that it's a good thing. So this is the first time I've seen all these things with you, so I'm not sure what kind of havoc I'm gonna wreck here. So this is the bits. So this is 12 bits, if I'm not wrong. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 bits right here. So they have given some drill bits, some grinding tips, and all sorts of things, especially this. This was actually why I ordered this, because there's this saw here, because I want to saw things. That's why I bought this. So these are the 12 pieces. This is the top part to do this, to change this, and some parts to also change the bit so that it could actually work with it. And that two stuff aside, this is the adapter, power adapter by David. This is the thing that connects into the Dremel, and this one connects to this. So this is really handy. If you have a chance to grab this, please ask if they come with this, because from what I know is that the box says that it comes with an adapter for whichever country you are from. So this aside, let's talk about the main machine. Let's get it out carefully without damaging anything. Right, so this is the pen. It's like really a pen. It has nice grip. All I could say is this is very lightweight. It's not what I expected. It's lightweight, and this is the knob to control the speed, if I'm not wrong. The power enters here, and this is the head where it drills, and this is the quick release button. So I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna learn more about this, and I'm gonna come back with the next part to show you how it works. So I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. I've tried this out. It's pretty cool. So what you have to do now, I'm gonna explain how I'm gonna do this and do a tutorial of sort, like what I did before. So this is the power adapter. Just connect it to your any power supply, and this power thing goes at the back of the pen. So first of all, I have my power on, so I'm gonna use it later, but warning, be careful, this is really powerful and we're dealing with really precision stuff. So all warnings apply. Be careful, don't hurt yourself. So just now we've been talking about the quick release button. This is the quick release button, and when you press it, you'll be able to turn this, and when you press, there'll be a time where you'll be able to press it all the way down, and if it's not in the correct position, it will kind of like press halfway, but if it's in the correct position, it will go all the way down. To release this, you need to go all the way down. So you have to turn it somehow. You have to rotate it, and there will be one catch whereby it will not be able to move, and this pin here is all the way down. So what I suggest is, I'm not sure how this really works, but from what I can tell is that you hand tighten this. The reason why you hand tighten this is because you don't want to tighten it too hard. This quick release allows this pin to not spin it out, and then it will start flying all over the place and hurt someone. So this is the quick release button. And why I say to hand tighten is because you don't want to damage the parts, and there is really not necessary to tighten it until very hard, so that you cannot be able to change out your drill bit, because this, if you can see this inside this rotation, is actually another piece that is linked to this quick release. So when you press it down, this piece in the center does not turn, but allows you to turn this from this direction anti-clockwise. Oops. Yes, this is the drill bit that came with. I was playing around with it. I realized that it's just a normal thing. It can't drill, can't anything, but it's a good thing to put inside to actually hold it in. And we screw it out by hand. And one thing that I'm not really understanding is that this piece is its own special piece. As you can see here, there's this brass tube that is around here, moving around, and I don't know why, but I can't take out what's inside. But I'm not gonna try, because from what I can see is that there are some markings here, so I'm not gonna try to actually open this up. So I'm just gonna put it over here. But as you can see from this box, there's also another pin that is similar to this but smaller in size, and there's also two other these things to actually put it in and lock the pin in place while you screw this in. I'm gonna show you how. So press this in so that you can stop the thing from turning, and after that you just have to screw it in until it's tight, and then after you can just remove it and it'll just spin on its own axis. So what you can see is that it has actually locked it in. This is actually two pieces. It'll be, if you have pin vise, it will work the same idea, just that you have to press this and lock it into its own position so that you can remove this and this piece over here also. So I'm just gonna leave it back here. That is the accessories. I will not be going through the 12 bits because they are quite standard. If you have a Dremel and or sort, this is the stuff that you will get usually, like grinders, drill, saw, buffing materials, all sorts of things. So I'm not gonna go through that. So next part of me going through will be to assemble this. As you know, I put this pin through, and I'm gonna press it down all the way, and I'm just gonna put this in. I realized that this barrel here will actually slide down, so try to put it horizontally and not vertically, because if this pin goes all the way in, because there's no how should I say, a wall for it to actually stop the pin from going. So I'm gonna take a risk and I'm gonna show you, hopefully nothing goes wrong, and that's it. If you just hold it like this, the pin goes all the way in, but you also can come out. So what I would suggest is that you just put it like this and you start screwing it in clockwise, and once you reach the point whereby it's going to be like almost locked, you just have to adjust it a bit to your liking, not too far, not too near, and lock it, hand tighten. So far, although I have not tried this product yet, but I suggest you hand tightening this thing, because once you remove the lock, this thing will be able to spin on its own. So this is the quick lock, the quick release function that they have done, and this is all the stuff. So how do you power this up? I was playing along just now. This is the power button. So there's actually a click here, and as you can hear, there's a soft rumbling sound of the motor. It's actually spinning slowly, and you turn to the right to off it, turn to the left to turn it on. And this is the lowest speed, which is from what the box say is, I'm not sure, I forgot already. Let me see, 1500 RPM says on the box. Let me just see if I can focus here, 1500 to 12,500. So my assumption is that because this is the lowest, the next button will be turning it off. So this is the lowest, So this will be the 1500 RPM. So to increase the speed, you just have to turn it to the left, and I'm gonna be quiet now so you could hear the sound of the motor. So here it goes. Right, now is the max, and it's vibrating quite high. So you will, throughout the whole process, do not press this unless you want to turn it on, and do not touch this. This place is spinning at 12,000 RPM, 12,500 RPM. Nobody will want to touch that, or unless you want to kill yourself. So to turn it down, you turn it down again. So I'm not sure if you guys heard it. I'm gonna try one more time to show you, and here it goes. And we are at the max again. Alright, now let's turn it down so that I do not waste too much energy. Right, so this is the unboxing and review of the David Pen 300 Elite. So this is the great pen that I've bought. I'm not sure if you guys can buy online because this is supplied by my hobby store. So you guys can check it out. Like, subscribe, comment. If you have any inquiries on this, just drop a comment below and I'll get to you very soon. And this will help me a lot because I use a pin vise and the bits are really pathetic and they're not big enough. So I do hope that this pen will assist me in whatever job that I have next time. And I'll see you in the next video where I will do some Taobao haul that I bought, some stuff I bought from Taobao, and it has something, it's quite a lot, so stay tuned for the next video in a couple of days because I've done quite a fair bit. So this is my Sazabi and we'll be out, and this is the David Pen. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.